Hi, my name is Kongari. I am a CNA lab technologist and aesthetic assistant based in Nairobi, Kenya. Today's topic, I'll be showing you how to make shower gel at the comfort of your home so that you can make at least some coins for your savings. If you find this topic helpful, kindly consider to like, share and subscribe. So let us jump right into it. Today we have our measuring jug. This one is calibrated up to 1.5 liters. We will need water. It's here. My water is here. We will need something to stir, a wooden stick to stir, a basin where you'll be mixing your ingredients. Then you will need this one. This is called ungarol. It is this is ungarol. It is 0.75 grams. I've already measured it. It is 0.375 grams. This one, it is foam booster. Sawa. Then you will need salt. This is a half kg salt. It's an industrial salt, not the normal table salt. Then you will need this one. This is called vitamin E, which we'll be putting in our shower gel. It is so nice when it comes to skin issues. I've measured it into this is a 50 ml. Then you have this is called glycerin. It acts as a humectant to the skin. It protects your skin from losing a lot of water to the environment. This is glycerin and it is 50 ml. Then we have another thing called CDE. This one, it is milky in color. It is 50 ml also. Then we have our preservative. You can use, there are different types of preservative that you can use. This is our preservative. Then we have our perfume. To me, I don't like scented shower gel, so I'll be using only this small amount of perfume. And the perfume of the day today is bubblegum. Sawa. It is between it is more of a strawberry scent, but it's not strawberry actually. It's there almost strawberry scent. Then we have our color. I'll only be using a pinch of this color because as you leave it to maybe ripen overnight, it oxidizes or it changes color to be very thick, to be very deep. So let us see how we're going to go to the next step, and I'll be showing you how to mix it step by step. Now, I said we'll be starting with our ungarol. This is a foam booster or our thickener. I'll put it here. As you can see, it is very, very thick. It gives us the foam in our shower gels, in our soaps, and etc. One thing you should know, when you're putting the ratio of your salt and your base, this CD can act also as a base. It should be 1 to 0.75. You don't put at a ratio of 1 to 1 as how we make our normal multi-purpose soap, because if you put too much salt in your shower gel, it can cause itchiness on your skin. So do not put a lot of salt. Yeah, now I've put my ungarol. It looks like this. The texture is like this. No, I can even touch with my own hands, so it means it is not harmful. Then in this, I'll mix our industrial salt. This is not the normal table salt. This is an industrial salt. I'll mix it here. Then I'll be mixing it. One secret to making the shower gel, mixing is very important for you to avoid it disintegrating. Yeah. Another thing you should note, in your shower gel, you're not restricted to putting only the things that I've shown you. You can even put honey. You can put vitamin. You can even blend your cocoa You add it here if you want maybe to brighten your skin. Vitamin E, you can add avocado oil, you can add, but ensure whatever you're adding in your shower gel, it is pure to avoid it from disintegrating. Yeah, don't introduce some impurities or germs in your shower gel, because no, now it is for showering. Then I told you this is vitamin E. I'll add it here. This is very good to the skin. This is like a 50 ml. You should also put into the way I'm telling you there. It smells so nice, our vitamin E. After it has mixed, I'll put our glycerin. I told you this is a humectant. Also, it helps in softening of your skin. When you're making this thing at home, you can save a lot of money. I told you my YouTube channel is all about saving. Here, I can decide to put this. This is a preservative, and I told you this CDE. I can put it here first, or I can put water, then I put this one as the third phase of my shower gel making routine. Yeah, so in this video I'll prefer to put first, I'll mix them here, then I put my water, or I can go the other way around. Yeah, I'll measure this is 1.5, and I need it is supposed to yield 5 liters, so 1.5, 3 liters, 4.5, this is my 5 liters of my shower gel. Then you mix it properly. You mix until everything is dissolved. It is like a very simple procedure. If you have strawberry skin, I can advise you after after your shower gel is ready, you can add something we call lactic acid. If you need the ratio of mixing your lactic acid to your shower gel, you can tell me. It helps in fighting strawberry skin for those who have strawberry skin. It is already forming, and this one will make a very silky and creamy shower gel. You can see, my cameraman can zoom, it's already forming. You mix, you mix, you mix. Okay, so ensure it has mixed. My hands are clean. I had even sanitized my hands, so if you see me doing like this, when I'm making it for industrial purpose, for commercial use, I use the hand mixer. It eases the process. This thing is foamy. And don't fear to touch it, because when we said it's for showering, so anything you put here should not be harmful to your skin. Do not fear. Nothing will harm your skin here. You see the way it's creamy, even on my hands. Today my hand mixer I had given my friend, so I had to improvise my hand mixer. I have to mix it with my hands. As you can see, it is very creamy. I think it's not ready. Then we will be putting our CDE. See, it has a very creamy. And I will mix a little bit. I need everything to mix. You can see the consistency. My cameraman can focus here for you to be able to see how thick this shower gel is. It is smelling so nice. At this stage, it's smelling nice, and I've not put my perfume. Then I put my preservative so that it still remain like the original consistency. It also a preservative also helps in fighting bacteria, preserves it. Comes from the name preservative, preserves. Then our perfume. Hey, it is smelling like Big G, smelling like strawberry. Very nice. Smelling so sweet, eh? So sweet. Wow. This thing is smelling heavenly. The scent. I wish you were here. Bubble gum, yeah? I think this is my favorite. The bubble gum. Wow. I love the smell. Wow. Then now I will introduce the last ingredient, which is our color. And I told you, just a pinch of it. I think that is enough. This one I can use in the next video that I'll be wanting to shoot. And in my next video, I'll be showing you how to make the colored bleach for colored clothes. So you guys, my guys, see, my shower gel, eh? Don't go adding our shower gel is ready now. So I'll let it sit for overnight. Then tomorrow morning I'll come here with the results. But up to this point, I think I can still even shower with it. It is very rich, creamy, and silk. This will give you a very smooth skin because we have even put the vitamin E. I could even choose to add my coconut oil, but today I think vitamin E and glycerin is a good thing that it's a justice that I've done to my soap. So stay tuned as I bring you another video of how to make multi-purpose soap, toilet cleaner, and also how to make the bleach for colored clothes. So until next time, adios.